Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to quickly adjust kerning in Microsoft Word to remove extra spacing between characters. Let's dive right in. First, highlight the text where you want to adjust the spacing. So for example, I'll be choosing this first sentence. Next, go to the Home tab and click on the small icon at the bottom right corner of the font group to open the font dialog box. Here, click on the Advanced tab. Now, look for kerning for fonts and check the box next to it. You can set the point size from which kerning starts. I recommend starting from 12 or more. So here I'll be writing 15, but you can adjust based on your needs. Once set, click OK to apply the changes. And there you have it. The spacing looks much cleaner. If this quick tutorial helped you tighten up your documents, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.